Hi all and welcome to the channel. Whether you are new or returning, I thank you for stopping by. I had more Queensland Thundereggs I wanted to cut, so here we go. And just note, I did not film all the cutting, just a couple, so it didn't get too boring. As I need to stick to a budget, I use an inexpensive tile saw that I purchased from Aussie Sapphire, which is where I get most of my supplies from. Have to say, these were pretty hard to cut this time round, even though they are small in size. So let's take a look inside this one. Let's take a look at a couple more. I think all in all only two had minor crystal pockets, with the rest mostly the darker colours and solid. It got pretty tough on my fingers, and wearing a mask in summer here is kind of uncomfortable, but safety first. So, to save time, here is the final results. This is when I decided to try something different. I separated the eggs into two piles, added 3 whole eggs that I still had, and popped them into a tumbling barrel. It's a small National Geographic one, I don't use much anymore. Added water, 80 grit as I do normally, then the lid and screwed it down. Then onto the tumbler for 7 days only. So I will see you in 7 days and we can take a look at the progress.